Learning how to speak fluent, confident, and natural English is an achievable goal. Every English learner is different, but there are a number of easy ways to improve in a reasonably short period of time. There are some tips on speaking English fluently and confidently. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Your goal is to deliver a message, not speak perfect English with the right grammar and vocabulary. Even native English speakers make mistakes. Practice, practice, and practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Constantly look for opportunities to test your spoken English. It is very important to practice. Listen. The more you hear, the easier it will be for you to speak English. Celebrate success. Every time you talk to someone in English is an achievement. Every single interaction you have, no matter how long, will help you improve your skills over time. Be proud of your progress. The following these steps will help you to take your English speaking skills to the next level. Thank you.